Hi guys, look at this. Look at this. Can I get some raisins? That one. Hi. See, she gets it and then eats it quietly. And I even get this stick so she could parkour. Look, when I remove the stick. Oh, I forgot. Look, I remove the stick. She bites it. She almost bites it. Go away. Go away so I can put the stick back. You know, she's trapped. Some more sunflower seeds because these are melended when she has breakfast.
Tingnan ko kung kasya ngayon sa kama ko pagawa ngayon sa bibig ng isa. Para may gayahan siya. Ganas. Double daw yun, sabi niya ko lang.
May tingnan mo to. Tiyawa to. Tiyawa to. Tiyawa.
Ako, Gina, sana mabuhay yung intinanayin. Paano? Ang gulo-gulo mo.
Napit ko ng sunflower. So long one. Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look at this.
Kunti lang ang buto eh. Pero busy ang dami. Pero hindi tumipilan lang eh.
Papanok din ako natatakot, Nok.
Pag kinagat yung daliri mo yun, ako, injection ng kapay ko, hinaktakot ko. Sabi ko, kung ano yung daliri, ay, tingnan mo. Ay, pag nakagat yung daliri mo, ay, nakalitan ako.
Ito, yung pinaka-rarest thing. Look, take us up back.
Nakangagat ba?
Hindi. Friendly na siya, nikagat lang niya yung pakain niya. Tingnan mo ito, kunyari.
Hindi, bahala ka.
Different?
Hindi. Tingnan mo yung ipin niya, pero lalaki, oh. Oh, look.
Di na siya kakagat sa akin?
Nakakagat ka niya.
Oo!
Tinanong ko lang, nasa dulo.
You know what? Wait. This stick is kind of it's annoying.
Sinatamaan naman ang araw yun din man. Umaga. Tingnan natin guys. Kaya lang may balag din mo yung cherry.
She got it.
Yung base sila lalagay din sa paso para hindi na dulo ng tomato.
So, I get...
Mura
Oh, I
lang
got
pala
a
yung
lucky
paso,
one.
20.
I'm sorry.
Pero yung malalaki nasa 80.
And sometimes
Ay,
get
kasi
the stairs they mixed up. They're too like his
ano
eyes.
ba no?
What is?
Dapat pala nilagdagan ko yung tomato.
Okay.
Dagdagan ko
So, okay. Can I feed her? It's so fun. It's so fun to feed her. I think it off screen because it's kind of a